So hello. So mag-DM ba lang, no? So tudlo ta how to extend, no? So we have a problem here which is, wait a minute. Here. Pwede mag straight line na. Uy, hindi pwede. Saglit. No? So natay problem here. So we have a cantilever na beam, no? So, kung ano na to ang moment equation, kabalo no, Nord AM, ana. Diba? So, draw, then, here to here, na siya uniformly distributed and uniformly varying na loading. Then, may 40 po siya here. This gikan sa YouTube, no, na problem. Gamito lang na to. No, on how to solve such things. Okay. So, we have 40 here. 40. Pwede di ba text? Text na lang. 40. Jeremy na noon. Wait lang guys, di ako balo sa kanya pag-delete. No, so again, natay 40. Imagine na lang na 40 na. Then, natay loading here na 15 kN slash M. Then, natay 10. So on and so forth, no? So, from here to here is 2M. Then, 3M. Then, pila na siya? 2M. So, it's a cantilever beam. Right? So, ayan. No, so, let's say, given ang reaction, kasi di naman reaction yung, ano natin dito, ang hinahanap, di ba? Si moment equation naman, 255 o may RA na pila? 112. 112.5. No? So, we're good with that. So, extension ng ating pag-uusapan right now. How to extend. No, rewrite natin. Bang. So, gamitin natin ito. So, extension. Red one is the extension, right? Bang, bang. So, the red one is the extension. Oh, always remember. Para masundan niyo. Yan. Then, extend tayo. Ano, in-extend natin sa baba. Ganun din sa baba, di ba? Extend. Then, another triangle, ano pa dito? Yan, ganyan. So, extend tayo. Sorry, guys. Extend tayo, then, ganyan. So, we extended everything na, no? So, we all know na this is here kay 15, di ba? 15. Here is 10. So, kung para mabalaan mo, ilan ito? 2M. 2M. 3M. Tapos 3 is 2M ba? No? So, since linear naman ang triangle, so mabalaan na mo na. Kunyari, 15 here. So, sa 3 meters, 15. So, 5 siya. Divisible by 5 or gapasaka siya ng progression na 5. So, kabalo na ka na here is, ang height gid sa hole is 25. Tama? Ay, 35 rather. Since 5 times 5 is 25, di ba? For the whole ani is 25, di ba? So, from here, nag-10 siya, then 15, Ay, 10 lang ni height ani. 10. No, para 35 tanan. Again, 10 here, then di ba 15 dito, so 15 ang height ani, then plus 10, 35. So, puta na to, 35 ang all niya. Mo ni ang all na height, no? So, pudahin ta, getting the moment equation. So, first, ari sa to ang i-focus na, ano, ari oh, ari na triangle as a whole. Okay? So, to focus that one, ang mahitabo dira is mag-drawing na to. No? Ito, mo ni siya. Y, then x minus 2. Then, ang height niya is 25. Are. 10 plus 15, 25. Ba, tama? Then, ang whole distance niya is 5. So, by ratio and proportion, y over x minus 2 is equals to 25 over 5. With that said, y is equals to 25 over 5, 5x minus 2. So this is our y for this one. So this is, the height of that is, kasi kakat ka, di ba? For a double intake, kakatin mo yan. So 5x minus 2. So ito na naman yung problema mo. Ito. So you know that this is 10, this is 15, and this is 10, di ba? Pero since kakat ka pa, so pakita natin. So, since ganyan yung itsura, ganunin ko na lang. Yan. Para baliktad. Pak. Pala distance ni, puta na to, mo itong y. Diba? Tama man. Then, this is x minus 5. Right? X minus 5. And the distance of this is 2 meters. And the height is 10. No? So, patayin ta. Y over x minus 5 is equals to 10 over 2. So, with that said, ry is equals to 5x minus 5. So, yun lang. So, with that said, maka-moment equation na ka, maka-proceed na kay moment equation, and kaya na bala na. So, tuloy lang itong buong saon ika. Or extend rather. No, that's it. Thank you.